Before watching the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Carrots are root vegetables that were first grown in Afghanistan around 900 AD. Orange may be their best known color, but they also come in other hues, including purple, yellow, red, and white. Early carrots were purple or yellow. Orange carrots were developed in Central Europe around the 15th or 16th century. This popular and versatile veggie may taste slightly different depending on the color, size, and where it's grown. The sugar in carrots gives them a slightly sweet flavor, but they also can taste earthy or bitter. Carrots nutrition. 1 serving of carrots is a half cup. 1 serving has 25 calories, 6 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of fiber, 3 grams of sugar, 0.5 grams of protein. Carrots are a great source of important vitamins and minerals. A half cup can give you up to 73% of your daily requirement of vitamin A, 9% of your daily vitamin K, 8% of your daily potassium and fiber, 5% of your daily vitamin C, 2% of your daily calcium and iron. Health benefits of carrots. Carrots have a wealth of antioxidants and offer many health benefits. Here are the highlights. They're good for your eyes. This is probably the best-known carrot superpower. They're rich in beta-carotene, a compound your body changes into vitamin A, which helps keep your eyes healthy. And beta-carotene helps protect your eyes from the sun and lowers your chances of cataracts and other eye problems. Yellow carrots have lutein, which is also good for your eyes. Studies have found that it can help with or prevent age-related macular degeneration, the leading cause of vision loss in the U.S. They can lower your risk of cancer. Antioxidants have been proven to fight off harmful free radicals in your body, and that can make you less likely to have cancer. The 2 main types of antioxidants in carrots are carotenoids and anthocyanins. Carotenoids give carrots their orange and yellow colors, while anthocyanins are responsible for red and purple coloring. They help your heart. First, all those antioxidants are also good for your heart. Second, the potassium in carrots can help keep your blood pressure in check. And third, they have fiber, which can help you stay at a healthy weight and lower your chances of heart disease. They boost your immune system. The vitamin C in carrots helps your body build antibodies that defend your immune system. Vitamin C also helps your body take in and use iron and prevent infections. They can help with constipation. If you're having trouble going to the bathroom, try munching on some raw carrots. With their high fiber content, they can help ease constipation and keep you regular. They can help control diabetes. People with diabetes are advised to load up on non-starchy vegetables, including carrots. The fiber in carrots can help keep blood sugar levels under control. And they're loaded with vitamin A and beta-carotene, which there's evidence to suggest can lower your diabetes risk. They can strengthen your bones. Carrots have calcium and vitamin K, both of which are important for bone health. How to prepare and store carrots. Carrots can be part of many popular diets, like vegan, keto, paleo, and more. To prepare them, wash them thoroughly in water and scrub off any dirt. You can peel them with a vegetable peeler or knife if you'd like, but you don't have to. From there, you might slice them into sticks and eat them with hummus or a yogurt-based dip. If you don't like crunchy carrots, you can steam, boil, or roast them and serve them as a side dish. They also work well in savory dishes like beef stew, chicken pot pie, or stir-fry. Risks of carrots. If you eat too much beta-carotene, it can make your skin turn an orange-yellow color. This condition is called carotenemia. It's relatively harmless and usually can be treated. But in extreme cases, it can keep vitamin A from doing its job and affect your vision, bones, skin, metabolism, or immune system. Too much beta-carotene also may cause problems for people who can't change it to vitamin A, such as people who have hypothyroidism. For some people, eating carrots can make their mouths itch. That's something called oral allergy syndrome. Your body reacts to the proteins in certain fruits and vegetables as if they were pollens you're allergic to. It doesn't tend to happen if the carrots are cooked. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.